And it's now recording. Hey, Harry. Harry. Hi there, Harry. This is Harry, everybody. My goofy little cat. Yeah. My cat won't sit still. She's a pretty kitty, isn't she? Look at her. She's so adorable, and she's a camera hog. Yeah. Hi, Harry. Hi, Harry. Harry, say hi, everybody. Can you believe it? This cat is 14 years old. She doesn't look her age, does she? I could get a good picture. Goodness, I'm really bad at this.
Recording right now?
Yes, I am, and you're now on it.
Oh shit. Oh my gosh.
And that is all you guys get because I am not showing my face on TV.
Aha, then you're racist.
You get tons of kitty awesomeness.